In my previous video, I talked about the necessity of going beyond our sensory information in order to receive higher knowledge, and that higher knowledge is the only way to higher growth and development. I briefly talked about the pramanas as accepted in the Bharatiya Darshana Shastra, aka Indian philosophy. One pramana about which I talked in detail was Anumana or inference. One of the applications which I mentioned was that of particle detectors. Subatomic particles leave traces in particle detectors, and scientists infer the identities or know the identities of those particles based on those traces or clues. How do I know this to be true? It is on the basis of this article published by CERN, an institution which is involved in these activities. For me, they are the authorities in this field, and hence their statement becomes authoritative. And this authoritative or valid statement or testimony is Shabda Pramana for me. So, their statement is a source of knowledge or source of valid knowledge in my case, which is a Pramana. So, although I cannot see these things happening, I cannot see even those clues, let alone those particles. Yet, their statement is enough, as of now, for me to know that this is how it happens. Hence, to gain higher knowledge, you have to rely on at least these two pramanas, which is Anumana or inference, which those scientists are actively using, and Shabda Pramana for lay persons like us, so that we can gain knowledge of these developments.